then you will come to understand that no, eventually it is actually used in your only present perfect tense. Clear?
Yes,
Can you
ma'am.
people create only one sentence with negative and interrogative? Only negative and interrogative. Try to create it with the scenario that we were doing or you have done. Or other than
Ma'am,
that also, you can see
with
many of the
use,
sentences.
we have to use yet or ever or no?
Yes, yes, yet or ever you can use, and it is not just the case that you have to use it. That is totally dependent upon you if you want to use. Okay.
Ma'am, can I?
Yes, sure.
Have you ever seen French movie?
Yes, absolutely right. Perfect. No, I haven't.
Have you ever played basketball?
Have you ever?
Play played basketball?
Huh, played basketball? Correct. Right. Now,
I
if you're asking the question only, my answer will also be in present perfect tense.
Yes,
You
ma'am.
have just asked me, have you ever played basketball? So I'll simply say, no, I haven't. Yet. If
Hmm.
I'm going to add yet, it means abhi tak nahi khela. और अगर मैं कहती हूँ, no, I haven't, nahi. Abhi tak nahi. So both of them are giving the same sense. Okay. Yes, Ishita.
Uh, I forgot. I have not done my class yet.
I have not done my
Class. My
what did you mean by that?
lecture yet. Lecture.
Lecture. Lecture is fine. Lecture is fine. Right. Perfect. The paragraph that I have spoken in front of you, there are like just 8 questions, and all of the 8 questions are in present perfect tense. So it is a sort of homework that I'm going to give you. Try to do it, okay, if you get the time. It is a home task in which you have to write down the answers in present perfect tense only. And of course, it is not important for you to write down the answers in present perfect tense. You, if the question is asking you to write the answer in other tense, so try it out. For example, the question here is, with whom has Meena walked out? What has she finished? What has Meena gathered? What has Meena dropped on the ground? Why has Meena dropped some seeds on the ground? Who has not come yet? Who has sat down on the bench? What had grandmother just finished? So these questions will be helping you a lot to write on the answers of your present perfect. Fine? And
Yes, ma'am.
there are not just one paragraph. I can see there are numerous paragraphs of that. Okay, so I'll be sharing it to all. It would be really helpful for you. Fine. I
Ma'am,
guess
I
enough for
want
today.
to ask.
Yes, please, Anita ji. Yes.
Yesterday, you told पीछे पढ़ना means trigger me. पीछे मत पढ़ो
Hmm.
मेरे, trigger me.
हाँ,
Ma'am, how
हाँ.
can we use a trigger in sentence?
एक्चुअली ट्रिगर का मीनिंग ये भी होता है कि किसी को बार बार मत छेड़ो या किसी को बार बार तंग मत करो. दैट इज ऑल्सो वे ऑफ सेइंग.
Okay.
ओके. सो वैसे क्लिंगी भी कहते हैं. डोंट ट्राई टू बी क्लिंगी. क्लिंगी का मतलब होते है मतलब बहुत ज्यादा पीछे पड़ जाना. क्लिंगिंग, क्लिंगी.
Means, ma'am, don't trigger my dog.
हाँ, मीन्स उसके हाँ उसको बार बार. यस, डोंट ट्रिगर. yesterday I have used the same sentence with my father. Actually he was
Hmm.
disturbing him a lot, so I simply said, Papa, do not trigger him. He said, what is trigger? Now do not explain me that.
और
So
ट्रिगर उकसाना,
trigger is
हिंदी में उकसाना बोलते हैं.
उकसाना. उकसाना. और जो
ठीक है.
आप कह रहे हो पीछे पड़ जाना is also, yes, उकसाना is also the exact Hindi. And clingy, CLINGY, means किसी को चिपकना या किसी के पीछे पड़ जाना. CLINGY, LINCLINGY, clingy. You are such a clingy person, or don't try to be clingy. कि चिपकने की जरूरत नहीं है या पीछे पड़ने की जरूरत नहीं है. We use it. And for trigger, the exact translation is yes. Okay. No, Namita is going to use it with her husband, I'm sure. That's why she was laughing.
Yeah.
Okay, bye all of you. Take care.
Bye, ma'am. Thank
Thank you,
you.
Good
ma'am.
afternoon.
Have a
Good day.
Good day.